Onkoma was say dear, Sukun no the better nche kakra na obeye kuya na obeye no say kuya ankasa pig farming.
Vaya kume chato so de besi bia me jabo so mani ya me no me ho dani denya me ni gufa.
Right now, are we able to buy real estate? Are we able to buy houses and cars and all? Is that what you mean by more money?
I will just tell you this, right? Right now I'm just trying to build a farm, trying to get a big pork farm, animal farming to just
Oh wow.
Yeah, so I'm working on it.
So have you started it though?
Yeah.
You've gotten the land for it.
Of course.
So where is it? Here in Accra or in Kumasi? I knew that would be where.
This is the first time because
I see.
I need to tell you.
So officially, YawTog is a farmer.
Of course.
Officially.
I'm a farmer.
Said here first on TV.
Yeah, my mom is the manager
of the farm.
Yeah.
What do you want to grow?
I'm having porks.
Okay.
And it's an animal farming.
Oh, so. Animal farm. So pigs. I mean anything animal.
Anything animal.
That's what you're raising and rearing on your farm. Fabulous.
Wow, yo dear, I neje. He say pork ne boy in the pan to Onua ye ne de na umunyina ono achi do de be pork ne ba ya chenya agro crab black rasta me de check say e ma